name is Kevin from WEITAI Hydraulic. This video we are going to focus on the controls that we have in our plant to show you why our rotary actuators are reliable and durable.
Our mission is to provide durable and reliable rotary actuators to customers around the globe. To ensure premium quality, we focus heavily on our quality controls and procedures throughout the production process from raw materials to pre-shipping. At WEITAI, we have a quality inspection team of 5, and all production process goes strictly in accordance with the ISO standards. The raw materials that we use must pass our inspections before entering our warehouse. Each batch of materials is labeled to make sure they are traceable in our supply chain management system. During the production process, there are 4 types of inspection that we perform. The first and last pieces inspection, the in-process inspection, the self-inspection, and the random inspection. After assembly, we perform the pressure test on every single unit to check the rotation angle and the torque. We will also check if there is any internal or external leakage during the testing. We set the testing pressure at 25 megapascal for 21 megapascal units, but we have also done more extreme testings at 40 megapascal. The holding time during the testing is in general 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Before delivery, the pre-shipping inspection will be performed. Random inspection can be carried out according to the serial number specified by our customers, and video inspection service can be provided as well.
Quality is our promise. If you want to minimize your downtime and increase your efficiency, contact us.